murakoze cyane. Ndabashimiye cyane abanyeshuri babashije kuboneka muri program dufite yitwa Hands on Skills Workshop 2025, ndetse ndashimira cyane kuri uyu munsi wa none. Ndashimira abari kudukurikirana live online, yuko tubashimira ibigo byatugira icyizere bikatwohereza abana nka RT Group nk'umuyobozi bahagarariye. Ndabashimiye muri rusange. Misiyo yacu dufite niyo ko dufasha abana kugira ngo babyaze umusaruro ibintu biga uko bwije bukeye umunsi ku munsi. Buri wa gatanu rero dukora presentation, ndetse tukareba ibyo tumaze icyumweru turi kwiga, yuko ibyo bintu byagira umumaro igihugu ndetse n'abagituye. Ariko dufite umwanya wo kugira ngo duhamagare umuyobozi ushinzwe umutekano muri aka gace abashe kutuganiriza iminota 10. Nidusoza afite izindi nshingano arabagiyemo, araza kuza kugira ibyo atuganiriza. Nibirangira ubwo ngubwo tureta tujya muri gahunda yacu. Nyuma yaho rero ntari namuha ijambo kugira ngo bize guhita byoroha. Time zirabanza nizo muri computer system and architecture. Kuri gahunda dufitemo abantu bakoze UPS, dufitemo abantu bakoze car parking smart, dufitemo abantu bakoze chicks monitoring system, dufitemo abantu bakoze, abandi ni bande mutwibutse, abantu bakoze IoT home automations dukoresheje ururimi rw'ikinyarwanda. Ndetse nirangira abo ngabo nibarangira dufata igice cy'abantu bo muri networking bahita batubwira nabo projet bakozeho. Iminota turadufite ni minota 10 kuri buri team, byose kandi tubikoremo mu buryo bwihuse. Ntago tubahamagara muze mufata umwanya hano, mugomba kuba mwamaze guhitamo abantu 4. Nibirangira tugahita tubahereza challenge iminota 10 bikarangira. Turagira ngo twihutishe kugira ngo dutahe. Turagushimiye, kare umuyobozi.
Intore turimo gucisha bugufi wenda kubera igihe turimo, ariko iminota mfite kambasuhuze nk'amaboko y'igihugu. Intore intore baravuga intore ijabo riguha ijambo. Intore turi ibisubizo. Ni cya gatatu, icya kabiri ni kihe? Ni mwumva ko mubizi. Ndeka noneho munyikirize gutyo. Intore sha muzamure nta cyaha bari budufungire. Intore murakabaho. Nitwa Mutabazi Sam cyangwa Samuel, nkunda kurihina kubera igihugu navukiyemo. Ngira ngo ahari iyo bongeyeho Samuel twumva bidahuye no hakurya aho twavukiye, noneho biratwokama. Noneho ariko nkarihina, ariko benshi bavugaga Samu kandi nkabona byanditse Samuel. Ariko nitwa Mutabazi Samuel, muhagarariye leta kuri ubu butaka murimo, kuko muri uyu mudugudu imvuga duhagazeho. Nshimishijwe bikomeye n'umuyobozi wanyu, nangwa se ubuyobozi cyangwa se abateguye iki gikorwa, namwe mukabyemera mukahaba. Nshimishijwe no kubareba rubyiruko rw'u Rwanda. Nge niyo ntarya nkaba niriwe ntariye, ariko nkabona abantu bashyize hake b'abanyarwanda, mbona bafite ibintu bizabagezaho bigeze, abantu beza barwanira ibintu bibateza imbere, bakiri bato bafite igihe cyo kubaho. Nshobora kumva hari ukuntu nguwe neza, wenda inzara kuko ari mbi yaza kugaruka, ariko muri ako kanya nakumva norohewe mu gake. Sinabeshye kuko nanjye ndayitinya yo kanya, n'ubu ndagira vuba ngo muze gutaha mujye kurya. Ariko ntababeshye, nkunda abantu bashyize hamwe. Nshima rero uyu mudidiye umuyobozi wanyu, nawe ni urubyiruko ufite umutima n'ibitekerezo biri positive byo kwiyubaka, atekereza binini bigari, aho ataba umunyabuntu buke, ahubwo ibintu yabonye yamenye akabigeza ku bandi. Education ntabwo ari business, ntabwo ari uko yashaka kubacuruzamo cyane, kuko umuntu benshi bafite ubumenyi ariko ntibagerageze kugira ngo barebe uburyo bwo kubutanga ngo bugere kuri benshi. Benshi bavuga ko education it is like a long term investment, idahomba nkuko ibindi bicuruzwa bishobora guhomba mu kanya gato umuntu agasubira hasi. Ushobora guhombera mu Rwanda, kungukira muri Kenya, cyangwa se kungukira hehe, cyangwa ukazagaruka wahomba umwaka umwe undi bakagukenera kubera ubumenyi. Nimuza hano ujye ukina relax wishime ko muri bato, sinshaka ko mwifata abageze mu myaka nk'iyanjye. Abasirikare bandindaga barimo bajya mu zabukuru bansezeraho. Mugomba kwishima, ariko ukishima hari icyo wakiriye. Ujye ubabara cyane niba utashye uko waje, ujye ubabara cyane niba nta kantu wungutse, ujye ubabara cyane niba wagize feria iyo ari yo yose, iri academic cyangwa se n'iyindi, cyangwa se ubayeho ubangamiye bagenzi bawe, udahugurwa, utumva, utashobotse. Yego twara abapapa, ubwenge burutwa intwaro z'intambara, ariko umunyabyaha umwe arimbura ibyiza byinshi. Amagambo y'umunyabwenge avugirwa hiherereye aruta urusaku rw'ubutwaro utwara abapfapfa, ariko ubwenge buruta intwaro z'intambara, ariko umunyabyaha umwe arimbura ibyiza byinshi. Nutega amatwi umuntu fake, nushudika n'umuntu witwa fake, ukajya kuri YouTube ujyanyweho n'ibintu bitari biri negative, bitaguhemba, bitakungura ikintu kizajya ku isongo gicuruzwe, ukangirika kuko hariho ibyiza n'ibibi. Biriya jambo YouTube isobanuye ijambo ry'Imana ivuga ngo dore ngushyize imbere uyu munsi ibyiza n'ibibi, ubugingo n'urupfu. YouTube hariho ibyiza, hariho n'urupfu. Ndabeshya. Hanyuma whatever you decide to follow, icyo ushaka cyose niwo musaruro uzabona. Niba ushudika umunyabwenge ukamutega amatwi uzabaho, ariko nuramuka ushoye ubuzima bwawe, ufashe igihe cyawe ukagishora mu bintu bitunguka by'urupfu, ndakurahiye ngusezeho yewe rubyiruko unyicaye uyu munsi. Ubumenyi nibigutera ubwoba niba wabona 100% hano muga presentinga sinzi ibyo aricyo mukagira. Hari umwana umwe ngiye gusorezaho, agiye yiga IT, arangije abwira nyina ngo bari bafite loan muri bank n'abayobozi bakuru mu gihugu. Amaze kubwira nyina atariko ati ya loan bank yawe mugira ati acyarima tuzagenda usuzume aturebe. Arangije yagiye gukora stage muri bank, aragenda ayikuramo. Nyina agiye asanga loan ntikiriho yavuyemo. Ubwo waburamwica abwira se, kandi se yari umuyobozi ukomeye, yari loan y'amafaranga menshi iri long term. Arangije isagira ubwoba aravuga ati loan y'umuntu ayiriho si ngombwa ngo ni muri system gusa, n'ahandi biba byanditse mu bitabo, no kugira ngo habeho recovery hari ahandi bigira bagakosora n'ibitabo. Hari n'ushinzwe recovery kwiye kureba bakamenya aho yasinye, bakareba niyo date, then bakareba nibiyo account yabaye recharged. Aravuga ati niba bigenzura nzafungwa. Ahita hamagara RIB atanga bamwana ati munjyanire ibandi ryanjye hakiri kare, niryo ryabikoze abari umwitangira. Aravuga to kugira ngo ikizere kizamveho umuryango wose duhinduke amabandi, reka nditangira ibandi hakiri kare. Niyo mpamvu nababwiye ngo urashaka kubibandira isobanutse cyangwa urashaka kuba umuntu usobanutse. What are you looking for? Ni icyo ushaka, nihe nyota ufite. Bavuga uti cyama nanjye nkagira ni icyo ushaka. Umunyabyaha umwe arimbura, niko Salomo yavuze wo mujya mwumva muri Bible, niyo nasomye buriya. Nzi ko benshi mutayikunda, niyo mpamvu nabahisha aho nsomye. Bavuga Bible kumva ari ibya fake, bavuga gucagagura utara no kugira bindi soke, nta kibazo nanjye dashirinya zambara. Bavuga ibindi ukumva birasobanutse kuko bijyanye n'igihe. Ariko my friend, igihe uzageraho utakigarutse ngo byemere, igihe uzicara ukiyumvira wuka abantu barenga 10-20 bakubwiye utari busubira uko byari bimeze ngo byemere, ndagukarabye. ariko uyu mugoroba nzi yuko ntagukarabye, nzi yuko wumva muracyari bazima ndanababona, umukobwa umuhungu, imibabaro n'ibibagose na situation not ngira narindi buzanye n'umusaza ngababwira amateka arahari, amwe murayakona murabisakinga na Google murabyumva amateka ni byose turimo. Byatewe n'iki? Byatewe n'iki? Abari abayobozi mu gihugu aho gutanga icyerekezo cyiza batanze icyerekezo kibi, abantu bararohama. Umunyabyaha umwe arimbura ibyiza, umunyabyaha umwe mubisubiremo twese, umunyabyaha umwe arimbura ibyiza byinshi. Dusubiremo, umunyabyaha umwe. Uyu muntu yarabeshye, ibintu bitangira ari igitekerezo bikazasoza bibaye reality. Byatangiye kera abantu bititsa ku mazuru, bititsa kuki, bititsa kunga ngo bari barategeka, bisoza bagiye kugura imihoro. Muranyumvise rubyiruko, turi hamwe, mufite amatwi, murumva, murabibona ibiriho. Umunyabyaha umwe arimbura iki? Ariko umunyantege nke in the right way agenda gake muri twa tubaraga, kabona niyo yagira gutya akora rush movement, ariko with time azagerayo. Ariko umunyabyaha umwe, the wrong thoughts, ibitekerezo bibi, uzasoza urimbutse wicuza. Ndabifuriza kudasoza mwicuza. Yego, sometimes tuba mu miryango itabana n'ababyeyi batandukanye, sometimes wenda bamwe turi imfubyi, rikamena nabivuge nanizi ko ndi buvuge kuri family affairs. Ibyo byose bikagutera kuba dufite ubudasa niko bitandukanye. Ubu ngize privacy, ibiganiro biri privacy, nabona case zitandukanye muri mwe. Nanjye wenda hari byangezeho ndafite ibyamugezeho, ariko ibyo birenza amaso. Izirike ku munyabwenge, byo ukunda umuntu w'umunyabwenge, ari class y'ushidi ku munyabwenge, mubwire wabikoze uti, ari muri quartier, ari family, ari bushuti, shudi ku muntu kuruta, shudi ku muntu umunyabwenge. Yego, kundi ibitekerezo byiza, kuko ibi bisoreza hariya ngo amagambo y'umunyabwenge avirwa hiherereye. Byukina wiruka ukunda ibyo ukunda byose, ariko ubundi kankubaze rero umudo wawe n'ubuye wihererana nande ninde ukumbura ukavuga uti kanihererane nawe, mutega amatwi mwumve, nambuze iki ndacyemera uriya ndamwemera ngeraho kabisa. Ninde nuwakwiye kuri televiziyo ni rasi, ubundi ninde ndabaza? Ninde ujya utega amatwi ukumva biraryoshye? Ninde? Ni papa se basi na mama niba bafite, sore ni kuko batabafite. Ni anko se? Ni mwarimu wawe mbakwigishira ufata urugero se? Tekereza umuntu utindana nawe ajya avuga ukumva biraryoshye, wewe utikomeza. Ninde? Icyo kibazo mu gitahane. Ninde munyabwenge wawe? Ninde bita umunyabwenge? Wenda wowe bitaga umunyabwenge aragukomerekeje bose wabakata. Ariko ngiye mu bajyama niho nabonye urukundo. Please, ntago ari byo. Yego, ndashoje. Yego, naje kubatera umujinya, naje gutunga urutoki impamvu yibi byose ntabwo narifite umwanya w'amateka ko yavuga, ariko nvugira ijambo nashatse gutunga urutoki. The reason, root cause, icyabiteye ibi byose, habaye umunyabyaha umuyobozi, habaye injiji, habaye impumyi, turayikurikira turarohama. Numwica urabona ibye, numwica rerere n'amashyari mukayajyana mu ntuza. Ngaho muri hano umwana akubaza muri tekinike, ariko shaka ngaka batubwiye iki muri system ko byanze, ntumufashe. Umuni mufasha azabona akazi kundusha. Jya ukora ibintu byiza, mubwire, ba honesty, Imana izaguha imigisha igukwiye. Yego, bifura. Yego, hanze gusoma haruguru havuga ngo umukene uzi ubwenge akirusha igihugu ubwenge bwe. Barabisipecified baravuga ngo umukene ari kuza ubwenge yakirije igihugu agikiza kurimbuka, akiriza ubwenge bwe. Ushobora kuba umukene ariko urakenewe, uri zahabu. Yego, uri zahabu mwana wanjye, uri zahabu mwana w'igihugu. Ndashoje, uri zahabu, ndagukunda ndagushaka, igihugu kiragushaka. Uri zahabu wirira, uri zahabu nubwo bararubusa, ntacyo uri bube. Ariko uri ufite ibihumbi magana n'amamiliyoni n'amadolari, ashobora kumwiyicira ayo madolari uvuga igihe cyakangirika, aho atazongera kuba na muzima ngo binakundi. Ariko we mukene, tuza isi iragukeneye, kandi uri zahabu nziza, kandi uzagera kure mu gatambwe gato. Yego, dinda ubuzima bwawe, amagara mazima nicyo mbashakaho nta kindi. Mwikwijugunye mu biyobyabwenge, mwikwishima ati Forest niba mukundanye mukaba mugiye mu by'urukundo bya bindi nimufate bikunaniye muri uburyo mwikingira umwe yikwizera undi cyangwa iki nimwikingire kugira ngo umubiri ugire demand ariko noneho rero turizavinge nawe usigara uriho rwose ibyo nukuri ntago tubihisha so sinzi nta mwanya w'ibibazo cyangwa se ikintu cyose twagira kubera ko byari umwanya wo gutambutsa ka message kagufi n'iminota nshobora kuba nayiriye muyobozi mbabarire nageza emotion mumbabarire muri zahabu nziza nimwikunde n'Imana yaravuze ngo ubura ubwenge zakureka ninde uzagukunda the first ni wowe so Imana ibaho umugisha mfasha uyu mwanya umusaza yageza akazi karamufata yarivuga amateka arambuye ariko ndakeka ko nta n'umwanya nitugera ndi mahirwe sinzi ba next
yego
cyangwa tuzabikora ariko ndabashimiye
murakoze twese tumutunga ibiganza nta muntu ukoma amashyi muri iki gihe turimo tumbwire ngo Imana imumugisha okay so twihutishe cyane tugiye gufata team abantu baza kujya team ya mbere ni iyi ngiyi iraza kubanza team ya kabiri ni abantu bakoze UPS iraza kwicara hari inyuma iyi ngiyi irajya gupresenta hano imbere imaze kwicara hano inyuma team ya gatatu ni home automation team ya kane ni car turadusoje sibyo uradujya muri part ya networking nabo ariko izo team zazigenda imwe nimba ivuyeho babandi bari muri ya team barahita bicara hano kugira ngo tubone igihe tubaha challenge gahunda ukuntu imeze ni minota 15 kuri buri muntu kuri buri team iyo ari yo yose ubwo mukore management iminota 15 nishira ubwo turaza kuza kubistopinga ururimi dukoresha ni Icyongereza cyatunanira tugakoresha ururimi gakondo Ikinyarwanda nibyo by'ingenzi kurusha ibindi byose wumva yuko ururimi rw'Icyongereza kikunaniye Ikinyarwanda ntacyo gitwaye ariko turavuga ngo ni igiki ufite wafashe gishobora kuba cyagufasha cyafasha n'abandi bantu bose muri rusange so twihutishije rero ubwo tugiye gutangira ndasaba yuko team tech yabo itangira kuza hano igatangira gukora ubwo turaza kwifashisha sinzi niba ataduha copyright ariko baza gushyiramo za ndirimbo nabwo ntacyo bitwaye tegereje yuko baza kuzaho nabyo ntacyo bitwaye nta kibazo okay bajye banyaruka niko abantu kuri muri multimedia and production ambwiye mugire vuba rero ubwo tugende
Good morning, everyone. I'm here by the names of Nigaba Umunyana Benita from group which is labeled as Kernel Syndicate. I'm here with my two colleagues, Ezi and Manzi, as an IT. We have discussed about this project after reviewing the global and worldwide problem, which is the death of chicks. Day by day, chicks are dying due to different reasons, but mainly they are dying because of unsuitable and unsustainable environmental conditions. By starting, next slide. By starting, this system we have created is called Smart Chick Monitoring System. We chose this name because this world nowadays is based on automation and smart systems. That's why we chose this name for this project. In this slide. As introducing this, this representation discusses the smart chick monitoring system, which integrates IoT technology to enhance poultry health. The system automates environmental conditions and provides a real-time monitoring, enhancing and optimizing the resources usage and overall chick well-being. Let's start with the system overview. About the integration of IoT sensors, here we're going to discuss about the sensors that we used in the system. The smart chick monitoring system utilizes various types of sensors used to monitor critical environmental conditions, parameters such as temperature, humidity, light, and air quality in the chick-controlled zone. These sensors collect real-time data, allowing farmers to view live data and make decisions to maintain optimal positions for the chick health. About the automation of this environmental control, and about the automation of the environment where the chick lives, the environmental control is automated through the integration of various and diverse components, including heating lamps, fan, and LED lights. The system adjusts elements based on sensor readings, ensuring that the chick are provided with ideal automation, are provided with ideal automated environment and ideal habitat for their well-being. About the real-time data monitoring for the data collected by sensors, I can say that this smart chick monitoring system incorporates with display that provides real-time data into the environmental parameters monitored by the sensors, such as gas sensor and the HT. Also, there is a weight sensor and other sensors used to view the health of the chick. Farmers can view live data. Farmers can view the live data of the chick and the environmental conditions of the chick, making it suitable and enabling him to change or to optimize the environmental conditions for the better well-being of the chick. Let me tell you about the requirements that we used to create this system. This system requires a range of sensors and components, including gas sensor for air quality or maintaining the air quality, a light sensor to manage lighting conditions of the chick environment, and the weight sensor to monitor the amount of weight the chick has. A chick, as we know, should not be weighed more than 1 kilogram. So this weight sensor allows us to monitor and know the weight of our chick, so as to maintain its being. The primary objectives of this smart chick monitoring system that we created focus on fostering ideal environment for chick growth. The system aims to ensure the optimal temperature and humidity levels, monitor and maintain air quality, to prevent respiratory issues, and optimize lighting conditions to enhance feeding and resting cycles. Before continuing, I'll jump into the conclusion. Let me invite my colleague Ezi to to show you how the system operates.
Yes, thank you. As my colleague said, I'm going to show you how our project works in practical. The component we have used are weight sensor to measure the weight of the kitchen, and we have used gaze sensor to detect the gaze of kitchen, and we have used temperature sensor called DHT in order to measure the temperature of the kitchen. And here we have reds. That reds are used by gaze sensor. When the gaze is present, the red gives right, and when there is no gaze, green red are gives right. Let's start show you. Here we have LCD is displaying the temperature of the kitchen. Here is 40 degrees Celsius and the weight of the kitchen. Here we have no kitchen because because weight is not displaying weight because there is no chicken. And I'm going to show you how gaze is detected by using that gaze. Yes, this red emitting diode is showing that that is the presence of gaze. When there is no gaze, it backs to the normal condition, and red emitting diode gives right. Let me give Benita and shows the conclusion of our project.
Thank you. As you just observed, that's how our system works. By concluding, the smart chick monitoring system significantly enhances the efficiency and productivity of poultry farming by automating the environmental controls and providing real-time monitoring of the environmental conditions. The system not only improves growth rates and reduces mortality, but also ensures a sustainable approach to poultry management. Thank you for your attention.
Okay, thank you very much. We are still there. We are just on the part of the questions and the answer. So we'd like to invite your colleague, the guys who's working with you in the same project. So they should be step up on the stage, and then we challenge you a little minute, like 1 minute or 2 minutes. Then after, we will say thank you according to what work you have done on this whole week. So my first question is, we want you to be introduced and where you come from, and also the trades section you're learning from. And then after all, we just know the part of each student or each the colleague your interns have done on that project. We are starting from the Manzi. Your name and where your school, and what is your part you have working on it in this whole week. Thanks.
Thank you. My name is Manzi Jean de Dieu. I am a member of this group. I study at Saint Chizito Save TSS.
In which trade?
Computer system and architecture.
Okay. What is the work you have done on that project?
I did presentation work. This PowerPoint presentation was done by me.
It was all the systems was done by you?
No, the presentation.
The presentation?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I'll give it another microphone to another one.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
My name is Mugisha Eze. My school is Jason de Pechanica. My section is computer system and architecture.
Computer system and architecture. Did you make a search of the how many? I don't know if the how many, how much. Did you make a search to know what the chicks percentage, like 10% of chicks dead because of the place where the system is not located? It's going to solve that problem. Did you see the? Do you have the number?
Yes.
Like how?
Some chicks are killed by some amount of gas and temperature, high temperature, like 30%.
Like 30% for the next, okay, 30%. By the time you make presentation, you don't have to say like, this. You have to be sure, right? For the next adventure, you will be just having that spirit, right? Okay, for the next. No, the another one, yeah.
Wait a minute.
Okay, for an additions.
Yeah. First of all, thank you for supporting us. About introducing each member, of course they introduced, but when we were creating or making this project, everyone participated in his abilities. There is when we were making this project, there was coding, of course, and making the presentation, and also making the enclosure. But as I can say, even I don't know much about the smart systems or making these systems. I don't know much about it. So when we were in the group, I can say that these two boys took the most
Participations.
So it was like I was studying. Everyone here, most of us were studying. So we didn't participate or provide an upper hand or very a particular or just a must. We didn't provide
the same work, the same
Yeah.
each others. Okay, thank you. What you have to say, just supporting him. So let's give that another one. The students who didn't just stay on the
Yeah,
stage,
let
then
him
we
introduce
don't know how. Name and where from?
My name is Kaitare Spirie. I'm studying at Kayenjeri TVET School. My combination is computer system
And architecture.
and the architecture. I'm the member
Of Kano Syndicate. Okay.
Kano Syndicate.
Okay. I'd like
Group
to.
two.
Okay, group 2. Okay. I'd like to ask you, what do you think when you're hearing the name called computer system and architecture? What do you think about it? Nothing? Okay, let's find another one. Can you support him? Like, no, we don't want those 3 guys who just make it from the introduction. We want another people who participate on your team. Let's go. What do you think about the computer system and architecture?
Thank you. Computer system, it is the combination that deals with the technology and how to maintain the electronic devices. It is that.
Another one?
Thank you. About computer system and architecture, everyone can understand in her way or his way. In architecture, we can find how to design many different components in the computer and how to design it.
Say loudly, please. Okay, thank you very much. Let's clap for them. Then they have to go to sit. Okay, thank you. We check the video and then we know that you are the first. Okay, we want another team, group number, we forgot. You come back on the stage. We have some questions here from this guy. You come back. Sorry a bit.
Hi guys. My name is Tende and I'm from Chad. So first of all, I'm very happy to be here and see you guys presenting that project. So I was just wondering how I was when I have your age. So seeing you on this stage right now sharing what you have learned so far is just amazing, and I want to congratulate you guys. Yeah, you have done it well. And like, I have a question, just don't scare it, just small question. You talked about the chicks monitoring those things, systems. I want to take a real world example, like if I'm a farmer or something like that, I have my chicks and I want you to do that system for me. So not to do, but actually you already have that system. If I want to get it from you, how am I going to use it? Do I have to buy? So let's take a simple example. If I have like 100 chicks, do I have to buy 100 system? That system, or how is it work? How can this one can work? Yeah. Try just to give a simple example so that we can understand better, right? So that's my question.
Okay, thank you for your question. As a group, we think that everything is possible according to the money and the requirements we have shown there. So this project is very big and it can require different materials which are costly and very expensive. So this may require amount of money to implement this. Let's give to my colleague.
Let me tell you something. When you are saying something like that, this is not a school, right? This is not a school. We are on the labor market. We are at the market. This is a project you can sell the money, right? So you are supposed to think for the next adventures. You are supposed to think which range of project is supposed to work on, because this is a finished product. So when it is a finished product, this is not a school. This is not a prototype, right? It is a project you can give the customers, then they give you money. If there is another component which is not compatible with that, you better impress it. You should say, according to this component we have used, these chicks is supposed to work at the range of 1 meter, like the range of 30 centimeters, right? So that's what we was expecting to know about you. So, but thank you for improvement. For the next adventure, you will just upgrade your skills, right? Thank you very much.
By adding this project, that project that we made is it's like a sample. It's like a sample project. It is specified for one chick. As you see, even the monitoring system or the monitoring component is not large enough. If you are a farmer and you want to observe, you will just need to come and get close. There are many for that LCD display or that monitor. You will just need to buy a big one, or a big screen where you will just need to observe clearly, even from like from 100 meters or Okay, from 15 meters, let me say 15 meters, you will need a larger system. So that's just a sample.
Okay.
If you need.
Okay, according to the time, yeah. So, is there anyone who just have a problem for language barrier? Like, he don't know, he want to say something in Kinyarwanda, but he don't know to take things in English. Is there anyone? Your team?
No.
None. Okay, thank you very much. For the next team, is there any? We want to take a little time. So by the time you have to use a better time, you have to get time management and also to be specific for something. Thank you very much. And team, home automations with the Kinyarwanda. Are you ready? Are you ready? Home automation. Kinyarwanda. Not ready. Okay. Let's go to the UPS. UPS. Where are you? Where are you? What are you doing now? I want you on the stage. Mwemwatangi. Muhaguruke. Mwihutishe vuba. Come together you. Let them come. Mugende imbere. Turagira ngo twihutishe kugira ngo mudatwara umwanya. Tubabarizemo ibibazo mwamaze gukora na presentation birangire kandi turachallenge ngo umuntu wari wese uri aho ngaho.
Okay, let me continue. My group has the task or project that made a power supply, which is in other name it called UPS. Our UPS has two functions, or can do in many areas. That's why we called it 2-in-1 UPS. As the introduction school is GSN de Pechanica, my combination or trade is CSA, which is Computer System and Architecture. So, as introduction, UPS is the device or electronic device that takes the power and store it in order to use it when the main supply or main source fails. My group members want me to use Kinyarwanda language. If it is allowed, I can use it.
It's okay, go on.
Okay, ibyo navugaga hano hejuru navugaga gusobanura nyine UPS device ya electronique ibika umuriro mu gihe umuriro ugiye cyangwa kuri atubona umuriro ugiye, device zacu zari ziri gukora zigagumya zigakora zikura umuriro kuri iyo UPS dufite. Rero ubwo UPS ubundi mu magambo arambuye ni uninterruptible power supply. Ikindi twavuga kuri UPS nuko ari device ikozwe n'ibintu byinshi nkuko tubibona iran block diagram, aho umuriro winjirira power tubonye wa muriro turi bu supplying kuri za device mu gihe umuriro wagiye. Device yacu rero ikozwe n'ibintu bitandukanye, ari byo mubonamo hariya: transformer, rectifier, bridge, capacitor, battery, switches, relays, MOSFETs, resistors and etc. Rero hariya uko nabisobanura zira component zikoze ira UPS yacu imwe kuri imwe. Transformer ikizadufasha no gustepinga up wa muriro anga tukawustepinga down bitewe naho twayishyize. tukibona wa muriro rero mu gihe twacometse muri socket outlet dukeneye ku steppinga down kugira ngo tuze kubika muri batiri. Rero ira transformer kizadufasha izafata wa muriro dufite iwushire hasi, kuko batiri yacu dufite hano twakoresheje ikoresha 12, ushyire kuri 12, hanyuma rectifier bridge ikizakora umurimo wayo ni ugufata wa muriro uri AC cyangwa alternative current ikawushyira muri DC. Capacitor icyo izadufasha hariya, capacitor ikintu izadufasha ni ugufata wa muriro wacu mu gihe tumaze kuhindura DC ariko ukirimo amasigino ya AC, ukawuyungurura neza ku buryo uza ari pure. Noneho ikindi hariya iyo tumaze gushyira umuriro wacu muri batiri cyangwa se umajije guca muri capacitor ikawuyungurura tubika muri batiri, kugira ngo ya batiri igihe umuriro wagiye yawubitse icyo izakora izaduha wa muriro wa DC dushyire muri inverter cyangwa muri circuit yitwa inverter igarure muri AC, hanyuma tuwushyire kuri za load twaye turimo dukoresha, hanyuma process zakorwaga cyangwa ibikorwa byakorwaga bikomeze nta kibazo kibayeho cyuko umuriro yenda ugiye bikazima. Umuriro mu gihe ya main source cyangwa ya main supply ya failinze. Ikindi kibazo twabonye nanone dushobora gukoresha UPS yacu kuko twahise 2-in-1, twabonye ko ku bantu bafite amasolar panels cyangwa abantu bakoresha B-box cyangwa mobisol bakunda kugira ikibazo cyuko mu byaro abantu bahatuye bakoresha zira solar panel cyangwa se uramuriro uva kuri panel solaire, ntago babasha gukoresha ibikoresho bimwe na bimwe nk'ipasi, vandarateri n'ibindi na firigo. Ariko mu gihe ufite UPS iri guprovidinga AC signal cyangwa AC voltage, ushobora gukoresha wa muriro wawe uri kuva kuri ya UPS ukatsa firigo, ukatsa vandarateri n'ipasi n'ibindi. Ubwo twabonye ko ibyo ni bibazo bimwe na bimwe twabonye iyo UPS yacu ishobora gukemura. Ikindi kandi nanone habaho mu mazu cyangwa mu bitaro cyangwa izindi nzu zikomeye usanga bafite ama generator cyangwa aya ma backup, ariko nanone ugasanga akoresha ama fuel. Fuel rero icyo gihe iyo ukoresha fuel cyangwa se nuko tubizi ikintu gikoresha fuel akenshi kigeneratinga smokes cyangwa se imyotsi. Rero twabonye ko ino UPS yacu ubashije kuboostinga cyangwa ukextendinga bitewe na batiri cyangwa n'umuriro ukeneye, ushobora kuyikoresha, wamara kuyikoresha yo kuko nta smokes generatinga kuko nta fuel ikoresha. Ikindi kandi ntago ari device yaba iremereye cyane ku buryo byagorana yenda kuimplementinga, kandi nanone ntago byagusaba ama essence kuko ama essence nuko tubizi hanze aha uko iminsi igenda yicuma niko essence ihenda. Ariko uramutse ufite UPS ntago wagorwa no kugura essence, ntago wagorwa nuko yenda ahantu uri iyo backup yawe cyangwa se iyo UPS yawe iri guprovidinga smoke yangiza ikirere, environment yabirimo nta kibazo na kimwe yagira kuko nta kintu na kimwe yakangiza. Ndumva ibyo twabonye twavugaho ari nk'ibyo ngibyo twabonye ibibazo yakemura. Ikindi kandi UPS yacu nta kibazo na kimwe yatera kuri device yenda ziri kuyiconsuminga, nta na kimwe. Ndumva ari ibyo twavuga nk'abantu twakoze kuri UPS.
Okay, we want you to give another microphone to each one. Who are you and where you come from?
My name is Hashimimana Wiri Jeremy. My school is Jason de Bechanica. My combination is computer system and architecture.
Which part did you work on?
For this circuit of UPS, can make oscillation circuit.
You can make one. Can you make it? Okay, give the microphone to others. Who are you?
Thank you.
My name is Usengima Joyce Keria from College Road Fox Debutal.
From
Combination is computer system and architecture.
your assistant part on this project. First of all, is it working or it's not working? Is it working?
Isn't working.
It is working. Okay. Can you show us how it is working? Come and see here. It is not working. What happened? Why? Because of time. Will you finish it? In the progress. Okay. And give microphone to others.
My name is Uneza Suranj. I'm coming from St. Christopher, Texas. My combination is computer system and architecture.
Okay. What about
Battery charging.
battery charging?
Yeah.
Another one?
My name is Noise Jean Bosco. I'm studied in Fadaramon Kabuga, Texas. Yes.
Okay. Did you participate on this project? Why? I want you to hear me well. Why DC voltage is not crossing to the transformer?
Does not have a frequency.
It don't have a frequency.
Yes.
Okay. That means, what is the frequency first of all? Okay. Let's find another support from another one. It's okay. Thank you.
Thank you. My name is Shimwe Beni Pasianse.
Your mic pre-control. Yegereza mic. Yegereza. Good.
My name is Shimwe Beni Pasianse. I'm a student from JSN de Pechanic.
So what part did you work on it?
On my side, I've done one side of rectification circuit.
Okay. Who is the father? Who is the father of AC, alternative current? Who is the father?
Tesla.
You don't know? You don't remember? Is there anyone who knows the father of alternative current? The name of the father?
Tesla.
What?
Tesla.
Tesla. Another name, full name, please. It's called Nikola Tesla, right?
Yes.
Okay. Give Michael to another one.
My name is Mnyarukundo Jean Didier. I come from Group Scale Saint Nicolas.
What part did you participate on the project?
Rectification process.
Rectification.
Rectification process.
Rectification process. So I would like to know when you face with the challenge, how can you DC? What is the system, the part? I don't know if it's a part, it is a system. Can you connect DC to operate AC to operate the device of DC?
You say?
The system, I don't know if the system is a part, it's a component, I don't know. What the system can you use to drive or to operate the DC or the component of electronics device? Is there any? You know there is. Okay, reka tuvuge mu Kinyarwanda, sibyo? Murabizi yuko hariho umuriro twita DC, hakaba n'umuriro twita AC. None ni igiki dukenera kugira ngo umuriro wa AC ubashe ku driving devices consuming umuriro wa DC? Umuntu ufite icyo gitekerezo ambwire. Kandi murabizi rectifier sibyo? Iyo dukoresha yitwa full bridge rectifier sibyo? Igizwe na diode sibyo? Zo diode ni izi?
Ordinary diode.
Oya ntago arizo. Hano hari umuntu uzizi ayatsindire. Ego ni izihe? Katumwe mikoro twumve. Izo diode zitwa ngo iki?
rectified diode.
ko bivuze kimeze nk'ibyo abandi bavuze. Hari uzizi izo nababwiye ngewe? Uyu nawe ntabyo azi. Izo nababwiye
Zena diode.
Wapi? Nizo nababwiye. Nababwiye yuko muri workshop yanjye muzazita rectified diode. Siko nababwiye? Wari ko wavuze? Ubwo ngubwo uraza kundeba, sibyo? Okay, fine. So, ndakeka buri muntu wese yaperforminze neza. Reka tubashimire, ubwo turaza kuza kureba kuri video bakoze live, ubwo tuzareba nimba baperforminze neza. Baperforminze neza, ubwo tuzabamenya mu bundi buryo, sibyo? Let's clap for them. Okay, sawa. Mugende ubwo. Tujye gusoza. Hasigaye indi groupe. Manzi. Shalom. Mugende. Okay.
All you, I'm going to make attendance right now. Where is the others? I know you are many. Where is the others? Where is the others? Where is the others? Where are you? Are you all? I make attendance. Where is the others? Oh, team. Shalom. Are you sure? Are you sure? Where is the others? Okay. Attendance of today. It is online. Let's go. Keep pushing.
Thank you. I'm by the name of Shalom Mujisha. I'm from Sipanya, CSA.
Thank you. My name is Mozairi Seros. I'm from ESAPAG, from level 5 computer system and architecture.
So thank you. Those are the names of our members. Proceeding to the next slide, our project, as it is stated, it is called the home automation. Firstly, what automation is. Automation is like a mechanism of the systems that work by itself without human interaction. So our project is called home automation. So we have used the automation of these bulbs, so you can control any home appliance, including fridges, fans, and others. So for us, we have chosen to use these bulbs so that we can light on and light off the bulbs. So the requirements of our project is Google Assistant, IFTTT, Adafruit, and SP8266 my controller. So how our system works, by starting how our system works, the system that we have built is to give a command to the bulb using our native language. So how it is going to be working, then you are having these bulbs and the system connected. So we are going to be telling our system light on in our native language like Chana, Aka, and then another relative languages that can light on the bulb. So if you are going to use this system, because the system that we are going to be using is already developed, and it is developed in the English language, because our language is like a native, so it is not developed in Google Assistant. So we are going to be using like Activate Aka, right? Activatism, so that this system will clearly understand what is going to be doing. So we were building systems, so we were done by the firstly, we constructed how it can be controlled over the web using the switch on the web. We are not on the level of constructing so that we can use the commands due to the time that we were having. We have done how to control it using the switch on the web, so we can show you how it works. We are going to be lighting on these LEDs because the relays that we had were not working properly, so we are going to be lighting on the LEDs and off. So light on. May you light on the LEDs? Then we are going to light off the LEDs. Okay, this is how our system would be working. This could be developed into those bulbs, but the materials we needed were not working properly, so we chose to use these LEDs. But this is the simple presentations of how this could be working. Thank you.
What about can you make a Kinyarwanda voice, activate channel, and then the website gets off or on?
As I said, we were done by constructing how it can be switched on and off on the web using the switch. Maybe due to the time we are not on the.
Okay, you finish it on Monday, right?
Okay. Exactly.
Okay. Thank you. Can you give the microphone to others? Shalom, I wanted to ask you why this system is going to be the result of what? And the government and the community. What is the benefit of it?
Thank you. The benefit of this project, it will reduce unnecessary transportation of someone from where to there to switch on bulb or to switch off. You can use your telephone where you are, like to press on and produce light, and to press on off and switch off the light. If you are like when you sit there and press on, it will produce the light without going to switch and to press switch on.
Okay, so I want to know, maybe the home automation by using the native language like in Rwanda, the most of students, they are not knowing the Kinyarwanda, the English. So for Google Assistance, right? So those are people who didn't go to school, they should need that system, right? Their home. By the time when they need that system, they don't need to go to learn the English to tell the Google Assistant, say like Google, hey Google, switch on. That is the English, right? But by the time you have that system at your home, that means you can use Kinyarwanda. Our grandmother, our others who can access Google Assistance, right? So give the microphone to others. Can see me. What part did you participate on that system?
Excuse me?
The part, did you have participated on it?
For me, I participated on finding the codes so that they can help us in coding this microcontroller, which can help us to light up these lights.
That's right. Okay, so give microphone to others. Your name and where are you from?
Thank you. My name is Mozairi Seros, and I'm from Esapag.
Esapag.
Yes.
So, did you learn something new on this system, or something new when you were just developing the system?
Of course, yes.
What?
As a student in level 5, I'm going to go out on the labor market. So this project, as a student, helped me to get new ideas that can help me to develop in the future, that can have some consequences, that can solve the problem that is outside. Yes.
Okay. Give the mic to others. My brother, how are you?
I'm good.
I just want to know, did you get something new on this system?
Of course.
Okay, what the difference between this system and the other system we have run according to the labor market needs?
First of all, this system allow user to send command by using Google Assistance, and then LED or light turned off or on. Okay. So we can implement another system like this, but for example, when we implement a system where we turn on and off the light by not using Google Assistance, where we can use a manual methods. But this system allow user to use his or her voice while we want to turn on and off the light.
Okay.
Yeah, that's, I think.
What can you say about this internship we are doing right now with the others? Do you have something you can tell others who didn't participate here in this hands-on skills workshop 2025?
Yeah, of course.
You would like to tell them what?
So
you would like to tell them what?
Yes, I would like to tell them that here in RT Group, we found some systems or another project, but wherever you are, you can implement any project. But here, there is any innovation. For me, in this system, we use some website at first time, like other thoughts, and another website which help us to implement those projects. So everyone who can work or who can visit here, he can search many things and many materials for helping him to implement his knowledge.
Okay, thank you very much. Give the microphone to others. Your name and where you come from, if you remind us.
mwakoze ariko matuye ko turi kuri live streaming rero ndakeka n'ababyeyi bandi bari kutwumva bari mu rugo bakeneye kumva ibintu twakoze byari
yego.
mwakoze nitwa Kaizo Valentin niga muri lycée islamique ya Rwamagana, trading computer system and architecture.
Okay, ngo tubwire rero ni igiki kintu wize mu projet wabwira ababyeyi bari kugukurikirana kuri live streaming?
Nibyo kabisa. Murakoze nkuko mubyumvishe, iyi projet yacu icana itara ukoresheje ijwi, uvuze ngo aka cyangwa se zima, itara rikaka. Nkuko mubizi inde kuri ino saa tugeze, ntago ari ngombwa ko aho uri hose wakora igikorwa bidasabye ko ubura aho ngaho uri nyine. Rero hangaha ikintu byadufasha, hari ukuntu waba wibagiwe nko kuzimya itara uri iwanyu ugasiga amatara yaka, uri mu kazi ke yumva umuturanyi arakubwiye ngo wasize amatara yaka, wacana telefone yawe ugahita uzimya amatara byoroshye. Mumva ko iyi projet itandukanye n'izindi zose, ikoresha uburyo bwari automatic cyangwa se igakoresha manual nyine.
Nkuko wavuze ko tuvuga ikinyarwanda, hari igihe ujya gutekereza yuko abantu ibintu dukora bakeka ko ari ibidayimoni, cyangwa se kumva yuko wabwira system kumva ko ikinyarwanda. Ibyo bintu wabibasobanuriye bitewe n'igihe tugezwemo mu bantu bashaka kuba barize wenda ibintu bitandukanye n'ibyo twe twize.
Yego. Kugira ngo iyi system ikore bisaba nyine gukoresha ibintu byinshi. Hari nk'ama microcontroller n'ama software. Hari software part na hardware part. Urumva kugira ngo bikore bisaba ko izo part zose zikorana. Mbere na mbere urayidesigninga, ariko byagora cyane umuntu utarabyiza cyangwa se utabyumva kumenya ngo ibintu birakora gute. Hari nka component ukodinga nyine ushyiramo ama program igakora igikorwa bidasabye ko nyine ubu hari ikabikora automatically.
Ni iki kintu wize gishyashya wungutse muri projet maze gutangira kugeza ubu ngubu?
Ikintu gishyashya nize nuko mbonye ko byose bishoboka nyine, nawe ahuri nawe uri umubyeyi washishikariza umwana wawe kuza gukora ibi bintu, kuko murabibona yuko bishoboka. Urabwira itara ngo akari kaka, urabwira ngo zima rikazima. Nubwo iyi projet itarangiye, ariko dufite muri gahunda kizarangira, I think Monday izaba yarangiye.
Okay, urakoze cyane. Tujye kwakira undi muntu umwe, ubwo nabandi baraza kuzakomeza bikoreho.
murakoze. Amazina ni Jotamu ne kwizerwa.
Uturutse?
Niga muri Saint Christopher TSS Kayonza. Ndi umwe muri aba group member w'iyi group junior expert.
Okay, ni igiki gishyashya wize wakuyemo?
Ngiye nyine ikintu gishyashya nize, bimwe na bimwe nyine twe twaragiye tubinyuramo gake gake, ariko hari ibintu bimwe na bimwe nagiye niga nk'ibyo tutabonye ku ishuri na nyahanga.
Nk'ibiki?
Urumva nyine ku ishuri ntabwo ibikoresho byose biba bihari. Niyo mpamvu dukenera internship kugira ngo ibyo bikoresho tutabonye ku ishuri wenda kubera ubushobozi tubibonera ahangaha.
Okay.
Hari nyine nk'amasensa amwe namwe twabaga twayeze biri teori tukaza tukayabonera ahangaha.
Yego, okay. Mwese hamwe ikibazo cya nyuma kugira ngo dusoze. Iyo bivavuze ngo microcontroller, umuntu utabyumva wumva ari iki? Yivuze ngo microcontroller mwakoresheje yumvishe mwese muri kuvuga ijambo ngo microcontroller ni iki? Mu bisobanuro umuntu utabyumva mu Kinyarwanda nibyo nshaka.
Urakoze. Microcontroller mu Kinyarwanda ni agakoresho kubatswe kagamijwe kugira ngo gahuze systeme twubatse ava muri computer cyangwa amabwiriza yahawe iyo systeme iri buze kubikora, kadufasha guhuza igice cya software n'icya hardware. Murakoze.
Okay. I want to invite them, my friends who can have something to add, like assistance, like say congratulate them or just ask something which is crucial about the project.
It's fine.
All right. So, as I said earlier, it's very amazing to see you right now on the stage and talking about technologies, all this stuff, because you can't survive if you don't know technology nowadays. Yeah, this is the truth. And to be honest, it is great what you have done, even though there is some improvements and things you have to fix and figure out how to do. The most important thing in technology is the idea. If you don't have the idea about what you are doing, you can't achieve anything. So it's not about having the system right now, but it's the fact that you already have what you want to do, and you will find a way to figure out and to fix that thing. So, and one question I want to ask about the system you have made so far is that I think it's mandatory for me to have an internet before I connect to switch those things, right? So maybe one thing you have to think about is not to have only internet, because there is some areas and technology has that, you know, that purpose of making things easier for everyone. So for example, if I'm not in the city based where internet is very complicated to have and you know all those stuff, what can I do? You have to think about how you can try to solve that problem as well. As you are thinking about how to fix that one, you can also think about it, because nowadays there is what we call API, so you can go and look for it, what is it, and try to understand it and embed in what you're doing. It will be really good. Yeah, thank you so much.
In addition, microcontroller, it is an open source firmware that can give you the access for the end user to controlling it according to what you desire to be performing for that microcontroller, right? Okay, so thank you very much. Let's clap for them a little bit. Okay. Turasaba group ya nyuma kuko group za nyuma ni izi ngizi. Group ya nyuma ni UPS. UPS iri he? Yavuyeyo.
Ni kwa kundi uzajya ugera ku rugi, urugi rukikingura, noneho wagenda rukongera rukikinga. Ikintu ije gukemura, ije kureba ba bantu b'ibimuga badashobora, urugero niba yaracitse nk'ukuboko azagera ku
sorry nabavuga ngo bavuga abantu babana n'ubumuga.
Thanks. Ije gukemura ikibazo cy'abantu babana n'ubumuga, urugero hari igihe umuntu aba yaracitse nk'akaboko yakenera kwinjira nko mu biro runaka bikaba bitagikunze nyine kubera ko nta kaboko afite akaba atakingura. Uwo muntu rero nawe twe twamurebyeho tumutekerezaho turavuga tuti reka tuzane ino projet izajya imufasha mu gihe ahageze yinjire hatabayeho ikibazo cyo gusaba icyo gutegereza cyangwa amanza ahamagare ngo umuntu ngaza mukingurire. Ikindi projet yacu ije gukora cyangwa ije gukemura ikibazo cyo kuvuga ngo imfunguzo zatakaye. Hari igihe umuntu ajya mu kazi agasanga wenda nta rufunguzo agifite, agasanga urufunguzo yarubuze, azajya nyine ahita yinjira icyo gihe nta bintu byo kuvuga ngo imfunguzo zabuze ngo akazi karahagaze kubera imfunguzo cyangwa tugiye kwica ingufuri. Icyo gihe projet yacu izaza imufashe nyine bikemuke. Okay, nyine twarebye ku bibazo tubona tureba no dushaka n'ukuntu iyi projet yacu yabikemura. Ndumva ari ibyo ngibyo rero reka nsabe umuntu aze agire mu buryo buri practical abitwereke hanyuma komeza nyine bitwereke. Nkuko mubibona nyine igihe umuntu yaje ageze ku rugi itara ryacu rizajya ryaka ni isensinga ati irebe nyine umuntu uje iyi bundi yitwa PIR sensor, motion sensor. Izajya isensinga igihe umuntu ahageze noneho urugi ruhite n'itara rihite ryaka noneho urugi ruhite rwikingura. Mu rwego rwo kugira nyine bigaragare neza mu gihe nyine uje ari nijoro hari igihe waza nyine wenda hari umwijima, rero iri tara rizajya rihita rimurika hanyuma umuntu yinjire. Okay, twasabaga nyine nimba hari ibibazo bihari mwatubaza ubundi kuri project.
Twakoresheje ururimi gakondo ubwo ngubwo rero iyi systeme ikibazo ije gukemura no kuvuga ngo no gufasha abantu babana n'ubumuga
cyane.
Itandukane he n'izindi ziri kuri market hari zihari
na kuri research twakoze na zindi twabonye zizajya zifasha abantu ngaba nyine twarebyeho cyangwa
nta kuntu se wanashyiramo iyo system ikaba muzanatekereze no kuri system ishobora kuba umuntu yakora urukweto
yego
ariko urwo rukweto rukaba, let me use in English, you have to think about how we can make your shoes, the shoes that have monitoring the blind people when they are crossing the road or when they are moving, they can just hear that, and those shoes will give the notifications to the nerve sensor. Yes. And then that nerve sensor, you can hear that you face with the obstacles.
Yes.
Mukore system ikora urukweto ariko urwo rukweto umuntu ajya rwambara rusimbure ya nkoni y'abantu babana n'ubumuga bwo kutabona.
Yego.
Nabyumvishe? Ku buryo umuntu noneho we nimba atabona ntago akeneye ko abafite iriya nkoni nayo ntago ari nziza. Webe yambaye inkweto we agiye imenya amakuru aturutse mu mano. Muri kubyumva ibyo bintu?
Yego.
So ibyo bintu mubitekerezeho ubutaha muzaze muri kubikoraho. So ndashaka ko rero umuntu witwa ikindi kibazo cya kabiri Shami atubwira ikintu yungutse, Anje atubwira ikintu yungutse, buri muntu atubwira ikintu yungutse muri projet. Twihutishe.
Murakoze nkuko abivuza amazina nyine nitwa Shami ndetse muri Espagne. Ikintu nungukiye muri izi projet ntago twese ibigo twigaho tubona amakomponente ahagije kubyo twabasha kubyigira. Gusa ikintu nungutse ahangaha hari amakomponente amenye uko akora, hari n'akabonye mbonyemo. Ikindi kandi nigiyemo kuba nakorana na groupe y'abantu bitavuze ngo nuko waraba mu muryango cyangwa abo twingana ariko naba hanze. Yes.
Murakoze nkuko mugenzi wanjye bivuze nanjye hano hantu nigiyemo gufashanya tugakora hamwe nka groupe kugira ngo ibintu bigende neza.
murakoze nk'uko nabivuze amazina ni Patrick cyo nungutse hano gukorera hamwe nka group duturuka ku bigo bigiye bitandukanye ugira skills wunguka cyane kuko buri abantu baba bafite abarimu bagiye batandukanye naho mwiga so rero muhuje ibitekerezo bibafasha kugira ngo mugire icyo mwunguka. Murakoze.
Murakoze, amazina yanjye nitwa Tetalesi nk'uko nabivuze, nanjye ntabwo njya kure ibyo abagenzi banjye bavuze. Icyo nungutse muri no project twakoze nuko ibintu byose nyine iyo mubishizeho umutima mugafatanya birakunda, kandi ikindi iyo muhuje ibitekerezo ntihazemo ibintu byo kugira ubunebwe cyangwa ibindi bintu byose birakunda. Murakoze.
Okay, buretse gato nkubaze. Aha, wabwira iki ku muntu uri kudukurikirana hano live butandukanye n'ibiki wabonye muri rusange, ikintu gishyashya ikintu wabwira umuntu wenda muri level 4 ushaka kuzaza kwatendinga program yacu?
Okay, ikintu gishyashya nabonye hano nuko wenda ku bigo twigaho ntabwo ariko ibigo byose baba bifite ubushobozi bwo kwafodinga ibikoresho dukoresha hano. Rero iyo uje hano ubona amahirwe yo kuba wakoresha bimwe mu bikoresho utajya ubona ku ishuri, kandi ukungurana n'abandi bitekerezo kuko ntabwo tuzana ari ikigo kimwe, tuzana ari ibigo byinshi bitandukanye. Murakoze.
Okay.
Murakoze, amazina ni Kwizera Maxime, nanjye nkaba mva lycée de Rwamagana. Icyambere nyine ngewe nungukiye muri iyi projet mbere na mbere nuko no gukorera hamwe nkuko twese babivuze, twavuye ku bigo bitandukanye ariko nyine twabashije gukorera hamwe to develop project, ndetse dufite na purpose yo gukomeza dukora izindi. Ikindi nuko ikintu nungukiyemo hano nuko tugomba no kwita ku bantu bafite ubumuga, tutirebye ukwacu gusa ahubwo tukareba n'abandi bafite ibibazo, nkuko iyi projet ikoramo ikabasha kudetectinga umuntu, then n'uwo ufite ubumuga bwo kutabona akaba yabasha kwinjira nyine mu rugo rwiwe cyangwa ahandi hantu yagiye gusura. Ikindi nuko ibi ngibi dukora nyine, icyo nungukiye muri iyi projet ni nka creativity cyangwa innovation. Ibi ntabyo nari nzi gukora ariko twarafatikanyije tubasha kubidevelopa. Rero muri make iyi ni innovation nyine, ni nka creativity twebwe nyine batoya nyine turi kugenda tugeraho, n'ibindi kandi bizaza.
Murakoze, amazina ni Hodari Constantin, nanjye nkaba niga apega. Ikintu cya mbere navuga ko nungukiye muri iyi timu twakoranye, icya mbere no gukorera hamwe. Icyambere no gukorera hamwe, mbese ukunguka n'ubumenyi. Ahangaha hari ibintu byinshi utabuze. Wagiye umuntu ugenda ubona amakomponenti atandukanye, ukamenya ukuntu akora, mugakorera hamwe. Ikindi mugashaka mugagira ibitekerezo byo kuntu mwafasha ibibazo biri hano hanze, ukuntu mwabikemura, gukora ama innovation. Ndumva ari ibyo ngibyo. Murakoze.
Turabashimiye, ubwo ngubwo muza upgradinga iyo system nayo ubutaha muzayiduha niba mutaragiye gukora exam. So murakoze cyane, katubashimire. Ubwo nabo bazi bicaye dusabe ko abantu muri networking bahita bajya kuri piste nabo bagakora, twihutishije kandi dukoresha icyo bita time management.
Hello everyone. By names of Chelsea Naisa, my school called IPK, and I'm so excited to be here by presenting this project. And with my friend called
Shema Emil, and also we have the other fellow students, fellow group members, so as they can tell us their names so as to keep on. What? Okay, so as we can keep on doing our group presentation.
Okay, thank you. My name is Luzibiza Bertin, and I'm a student of APK Gahengeli, TVET. I study in the sector of ICT and multimedia, the trade of networking and internet technology, NIT as abbreviation.
Thank you. My name is Wamaria Cremant. I'm coming from Kalongi, IPK Kalongi. Yeah, I'm studying NIT.
Thank you very much. My name is Arjus Mutoni. I study at St. Ignace TSS in networking and internet technology.
Thank you. My name is Chimashaka Sandrine. I'm coming from MIP Simpsons.
Thank you. My name is Sifa Shanela Uwayo. I'm trainee in the level 5 in networking from IPK.
My name is Aman Gad, come from Apegaga Henjeri. I study in networking and internet technology.
Thanks. My name is Nagana Joshua. I'm from Apega TSS in the sector of NIT. So thanks.
Okay, me too. I'm from Apega TSS. Then let us begin on the introduction. First of all, we want to tell you that we have made a data management website. So I need you to be more attentive so as to see what we have did. Yeah, we have done.
So as you see, our web management, this will help us user for creating account, login to website and add trainees data on database and edit trainees information.
Yes, this is a welcome page of our website. So I think you can create a website or login if you had a website which you have already created. So first of all, you are seeing that you are seeing a user interaction system where you can just put your username, emails, first name, last name, address, phone number, password, so as you can start creating your website, so as you can fill those fields so as to create your account if you had no that account.
As you see, user can log into web by account created by using username and password, and then you can log in with the created account.
Then after logging on that data, you can see a registration where you can fill your registration. You can fill your names, your options, your name of school, your code number, then click on add so as to keep on showing the registration of your data.
And as you can see, the user registered, can you see that there is a list of user registered? The one who can be added in this list can be seen by here. Thank you.
So let me also say this. For example, in internship, Ruzima Didier, he needs data, so as he needs to fill data of the trainees that he is training in this internship. So I think he can use this system so as to know the names of the trainees, their options, the name of their schools, code numbers, and the actions where you can delete or edit data which he has in registration.
And user can edit and delete trainees information. As an admin, can only admin have permission for deleting and editing data in database?
So these are some of the codes that we have used. We have used different kinds of the codes, PHP codes, HTML codes. We have made CSS. We have used database. There are too many. You can't know it if you do not study about them. But they are done, which has helped us to make that system. It's a data management system which can be used to manage different data types that you have. Then let us go on by our website. I would like to tell Luzima Didier so as to be ready to see how our system works. Our website. So I think you can see a welcome page where you can create your account or log in if you had existing account. Then create an account for the new user.
So now we're going to show you some example for logging this account or creating this account. And then after creating this, we can invite some of you and make some accounts for showing you that this website is active.
Then you are just filling data in the fields. You have put username, emails, first name, last name, address, phone number. Then you will also insert password. Then, first of all, you see that you log in, phone number, 4 characters on password. Sorry? It's being... So, I have showed you that you have started by inserting data in different fields. Then when you reach on password, you have just written 4 characters for the password. For instance, you have written there, then there at the top right side, there is the word called password must be greater than 6 characters. So to mean that if you use the password concerning or involving the characters lower than 6 characters, it will fail. It will be possible that you will start again by filling data and then make a password concerning more than 6 characters so as to have a strong password within your website.
As you can see, if we skip some field, they will tell us a message code that all fields, please fill out this field. It means that all fields must be filled.
Yeah. Every field there must be filled with data so as to keep on entering into your website. You cannot interact with the website unless you fill the whole data into the fields. Then keep on. Then, if you finish to do those, okay, then if you fill whole data as to how it could be, then they will show you a message that your website is successfully completed. Then you will go to login. Then you will use the username which you have used before and password which you have used before. Then click login. Then you will reach at that registration.
As you can see here, there is a training registration where you fill your names, option trade, name of school, and code number. As you remember here, we come here and ask us our names, our schools, and then they give, and after asking us, they told us to pay. After paying, they gave us a code. And then you can fill your code and then add.
Then you see after clicking on the word add, there is the registration of a trainee called Aman. Aman, option NIT, name of the school, Apega TSS, the code which you have given him. And I would like to collect you that you would not use the computer just writing our names, our phone number. I would like to assure you that our website can be suitable for you because your machine can crash. Then if you have the website like this, it would be easy for you to have a data registration of your trainees. Then you see that we just add data for another person called Joshua, option CSA. Then you can have a full management of the trainees who are here unless using the notebooks, the forms. You may use our website, and I would like you to tell you that our website is just on the market. If you like it, you would buy it. Yeah, I think so. Of course. And I have listened you saying that you just need to make attendance, online attendance. You can use our website to make an online attendance to show every parent whether his child is attending the internship or absent. Then let's keep on.
So as you can see, admin can edit and delete some user and the rest. And we're gonna edit here and then Queen. So we can update the data in database.
So then first of all do that and then I show. Keep on. Update. Okay. Let me show this. As much as you are seeing the registration, there is a person called Queen. There is a person called Joshua. And then in action, in the last column, there is two tabs. There is a delete tab and there is an edit tab. You can delete a trainee. For instance, if he or she is just making some mistakes at the internship site, you can chase him and then delete him into our website, or edit his or her registrations if you have made some faults during data registration. So example, Mr. Joshua is just being late at the internship every day. Then Luzima decides to chase him at the school, at the internship site. So Luzima will immediately delete Joshua. Then they will show, wait. They will show you a thing they will show a message which say, are you sure you want to delete Joshua? Then if you click OK, you will delete him. Joshua is already deleted. It's completely deleted. So this is how our system is just working to help us make a data management website.
And as we know, we are in digital. For reading the books, it is no longer used. So now we're going to invite some of you to come and test our website, and then you can see that our website is active.
Yeah, first of all, we would like Rosima to come here and also attend as the experts, and then they will come so as they can see how our system is just working. They can test.
So I really like the confidence, bro. I really like the confidence. So I'm also a software engineer, so, and I really like what you have done so far. Yeah, it's good. But saying that is already in the market, so there is a question behind it. Is it in the market in the local host? Have you hosted somewhere?
Yes.
I'm seeing like it's the local host. Because you have used XAM, right? XAM? And MySQL.
Yes.
How can you ensure the data integrity in this system, the system you have built so far?
Sorry?
How can you ensure the data integrity, like data integrity?
So repeat the question.
You know what we call data integrity?
Yeah.
In this website,
Yeah.
how can you ensure it as like a developer?
Thank you very much. First of all, data integration. Data integration is a process. Is like the sustainability and the complexity of data, I think. Yeah. So first of all, how we can ensure that we can show the integration of our website. First of all, I think there is no anyone who can access to our website unless filling data into the fields that you are seeing there. And also I have showed you a great thing on the field where it will fill website. A person has filled has filled the password characters which are less than 6 characters, and the system said that the password must be involving more than 6 characters. First of all, that thing shows that our system is strong. Another thing is that when you have just jumped one of the fields unfilled, the system have given you a message called please fill out this field. And I think that within data integration, our system is very suitable, because it is showing that every field must have data which is filled inside it. I think there is more accuracy, which shows a great integration within our website.
All right, so thank you. Yeah. And another thing I would like to tell you is that, using XAMPP, how many of you have so far used that XAMPP and built some projects?
Okay, all of us, and I hope there are someone who are not just here, but our website is concerning more programming languages as much as we are seeing it. It is composed of PHP, HTML, CSS, database. All of us, some of us have used PHP, other ones have used CSS, other ones has used HTML, other ones has dealt with database. So then we just used our force so as to make a search website.
Okay, great. So I think for using XAMPP for this kind of project, yeah, it's good when you are doing just a prototype, you are just prototyping the things. Because MySQL in the XAMPP use always to have conflicts, and when there is a problem, sometimes when you try to launch it, when try to launch it, they will say it shut down, things like that. Yeah. And there is a pod, they will say the pod is maybe occupied by another application, those things. Yeah. So for me, I would say it's good for a prototype, but when it comes to real product, things like that, you need to host it somewhere.
Yeah.
You always need to host it somewhere.
Yeah, that's good, and thank you for advising us.
I have 3 questions, even if I'm not an expert.
Yeah.
Because you had the money on the project, I'm just coming a serious part, because after that,
and for us,
how much first? How much for that?
How much?
Yes.
First of all, you see that every year you just have an internship program within level 5 trainees, level 4, even the other ones from abroad countries. First of all, we will just it's like 1 million for the low price. I think that would just be used. Wenda reka tugerageze dukoreshe n'ikinyarwanda iyi website yacu kugira ngo n'ababyeyi babyumve, sibyo? Ubu nka papa ushobora gusanga atari kubyumva kuko atazi wenda icyongereza, ariko iyi website yacu uzayikoresha buri mwaka, uyikoreshe kugira ngo uzajye managinga buri munyeshuri wese ufite hano uri gukoresha stage. Ubwo ngubwo urumva kuko uzayikoresha igihe kirekire, kandi gukoresha amafomu ntibikigezweho, kujya mu mashini muri za Microsoft, ibyo ngibyo bizagera igihe kabisa bigutenguhe. Yeah, iyi system
I have the issue for the website.
Yeah.
It is a very good
yeah,
it is a very good part to take that project to have it, and also I can be very happy to release the money for you according to the work you have done.
Yeah.
The website I want for the next part.
Yes.
It's the website which is look like e-commerce, but which has a part for registrations, which has also part for selling my product, which has also part where I can access the, which has the portal where you can just have a link to be when these guys from Chad want to attend my workshop, I want to attend my company, to
B, have the portal where you can just have a comment part, where you can just try to negotiate how the things work.
Yeah.
And then also the website I want. It is a website where the people can make order for my product.
Yeah.
And also the product, the product I want, or also website I want, it's a product which can give me the access, that registration to find it on the Excel.
In Excel?
Excel. That's what I want.
Okay.
So if you get that, I lose 300K.
300K?
Yes.
A website involving all those you said?
Of course.
Oh, but...
you are still students?
We are just still students,
yes.
all of us. And
I release 300.
On that one?
I host that. No, not that one. The one I want.
The one you want?
Yes.
Okay. If we just do the website concerning all those you need, you would just like to...
We are not in negotiation about the money.
Yeah.
Even if you can do it for free.
Yeah.
I want the final result about that.
The final result.
If you do that, it is like an allowance.
Okay.
It's an allowance for you.
But
it's not a price.
Yeah.
I will host that. No problem.
No problem.
Yes.
Another thing we can say, as much as we are
Not
the
money?
NIT, no, not money. As much as I'm not a trader, we are the NIT trainees. We are having a barrier of some devices which we are not having here, like servers.
I want to give you some additions.
Yeah.
When you are at the market,
yeah,
we don't ask you, did you learn networking?
Yeah.
We don't need to bring the papers.
Yeah.
We have to solve the problems.
Yeah.
Right now I'm the customer, you are the expert. I want the result from you.
Yes, don't worry.
So that means that is not excuse to be in the networking and internet technology. If you can get that, I have to pay you.
No matter, we will just...
You will try.
We will try to do it.
Okay, so thank you very much for your confidence. I want to ask 3 questions. The things, the 3 students, the things that they have run about that, who didn't talk about it. The things they have run, new things they have run about that when they are dealing with that project.
Okay, thank you. As I said, my name is Ruzivisa Berthe. Okay, the things I have learned about this when we were making this website, first of all, I have dealt with CSS. I'm the one who done the CSS, so I didn't have skills about PHP and database and HTML. So other students from other schools and our trainer had helped me, and now I have some skills on PHP, HTML, and also database. But before we work on this, website, I was an expert on CSS only. So thank you.
Okay, did you learn something new?
Thank you very much. Something I learned in the process of making this project is the way or innovation and creativity of making money and developing myself by using the skills I had. Thank you.
Others?
So for
the middle one, yes. Okay.
So thank you. This project to do working to train me, to help us every trainer at that school to improve the innovation, to study CSS, PHP, HTML. You do it, you're doing website, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Rika Provorim. According to the time, we'll just have another event. So thank you for what you have done, and also your confidence, and also your motivations, and also the way you can just be good entrepreneurs. So, but my project, think about it. Even if you're going to school, think about it. It is a reason of the market, right? I want to raise that money on you. Think about it. No excuse to be network, internet technology
expert. Thank you.
Electronics and telecommunication with the electricity department. Finish everything very fast.
Thank you very much. We are here as a group called Challenges from Electronics and Telecommunication. So we've done a great job about our project called Audio Amplifier by using TDA 2030. Let's go by introduction of our project. So an audio amplifier is an electronic device that increases the power of audio signals so that can drive speakers and produce a sound at the loud volume. So this is a project that deals with increasing of signals from mic, from telephones. So we as people, we like to hear the quality music. So this project comes to solve the problem of hearing the quality music. For other projects like similar with this one, they don't have two things that called low pass filter and high pass filter. If you look at the project which is on the market, they don't have these two things. So for us, you can adjust for high pass filter or low pass filter to hear the quality music that you want. So let's continue with the block diagram. So here we have a power supply, an input signal to the preamplifier, to the tune control, and to the amplifier, to the low pass filter, and the last one is high pass filter. So we continue. By the use of these blocks, the power supply used to supply electricity as the main purpose is. We continue by the input signal. So for us to make a sound or a quality music, we need an input signal, a small input signal, so that we can amplify it and try to get on the level that a person can hear the music. So we continue by preampli. It is used to boost those small signals so that can be amplified by that amplifier on 5. So tune control used to control the music. So we continue by the low pass filter. This is known as the bass. So this used for adjusting the bass of the music. So high pass filter, it filters it helps in adjusting I can say it helps in adjusting the music, but on high frequency. So this is our project. So applications, it can be used in homes, churches, companies, clubs, and schools. Anywhere that you can need a good quality music or good quality sounds. Thank you.
That is the audio amplifier for TDA 2030? TDA 2030 means what?
It's an ICE. It's ICE that used to in amplification stage.
IC means what?
Integrated circuits. It is an ICE that combines the transistor that used to boost the signals.
To boost signals.
Yes.
Why can you make it? Is it working or?
So our project is not yet done because we are still getting components, but I'm sure that it will work.
Okay. What new things did you learn? Where are you from? Did you make the best introduction?
Oh, my name is Emmanuel Senyumva, and I'm from RP Kigali College and TSS. So something that I've learned here is that everything is possible. You can perform every circuit or everything you want in electronics, you can do it. Whatever how it looks or what it produces, you can make it. So here I got a good thing that improves my confidence and improves my understanding on things, so that I can perform my own circuit or my own project. So that's the big thing. This time that I had here, it opens me in mind, so that I can do and try to solve any question at the market out there.
Okay. Did you learn something new? The next one. Did you learn something new, or it is everything knowns? Dushaka kuvuga Ikinyarwanda.
Amazina ni Ishimwe Clarisse, naturutse ku kigo cya Espagne. Nanjye nkaba ndi mu members w'iyi group. Iyi group twakoze icyo bita audio amplifier. Technology yayo ikoresha analog ariko na digital irayikenera, ariko nyine ishobora no gukoreshwa ahantu henshi hagiye hatandukanye, ikaba yadufasha no kuba yakemura ibibazo bimwe na bimwe ahantu hari abantu benshi.
Okay. Nundi bukurikira.
Thank you. I'm here by the name of Mondimana Jiribati from Etefop TSS. I'm some members of this group who making this project audio amplifier by using TDA that, as you see.
Okay, did you get something new?
The something that I can say is that as you see or as you know, when we are located in the area with many peoples, we need to adjusting of our sound in order to all of you that attend on that place listen on your. So we must use amplifier in order to supply or in order to increase small noise into high noise. That is why we think about to do amplifier that can take low sound and then amplify into high sound in order to be understandable at high level.
Okay, let me ask you, all of you, is it sound electricity or it is not electricity? Is sound electricity or it is not electricity?
The sound is not electricity, but it being transmitted into electricity.
Is a signal electricity or it is not electricity?
Electricity, yes.
The signal is electricity.
Yes.
Signal is electricity.
Yes.
Is
it comes in the form of electricity.
Your facilitator told you.
Sorry?
Is what your facilitator told you.
The the sound comes into the electrical signals.
Electrical signal.
Yes.
That means it is electricity.
So the sound is not electricity, but we need something to convert it into electricity.
So then, what is electricity?
So electricity is the moving of charge in the
conductor.
Yeah, conductor.
That is a current. That is not electricity. Okay, if there is another one who can support you, go on. In Kinyarwanda, nta kibazo. Amashanyarazi.
Mu Kinyarwanda nyine electricity ni movement y'amacaji nyine. Movement y'amacaji like
umuntu yicara dufashe nawe aze kuza kudufasha. Amashanyarazi ni kimwe na signal na sinyare.
Yego.
Buriya dufasha uburyo ndi kuvuga ibintu bino kugenda mu buryo bw'amashanyarazi. Ngoba ngo harimo voltage, current na resistance. Birimo. Twabipima.
Yego. Usizeho ukoresheje oscilloscope.
Oscilloscope. Bivuga ngo byose bifite sine wave.
Yes.
Aha, amashanyarazi se none se kuki bitaje biri muri DC?
Nuko ubundi isigino iri dynamic. Ariko DC yo ntabwo iri dynamic.
Ntabwo iri dynamic.
Yes.
Mu Rwanda dukoresha umuriro w'amashanyarazi wa voltage zingahe?
220.
Ariko wibagiwe akantu ka 50 Hz.
Na 50 iyo ni frequency.
Iyo frequency bivuze iki? Bivuze iki?
Bivuze ko ari nk'umuvuduko nyine frequency yacu ikoresha.
Iyo frequency zo mu munota yize yakumva ari iki?
Frequency nyine ni igihe nyine bifata kugira ngo sinyari ikore uruziga.
N'igihe bifata kugira ngo sinyari ikore uruziga. None se ubwo buriya frequency yo muri Amerika bakoresheje 110 volte ugasanga bafite 60 yo mu Rwanda buriya umuriro wakwica neza nuwe.
Umuriro wakwica birumvikana ni no muri Amerika.
Okay, reka tugene no kuri kandi kantu kamwe ka nyuma sibyo? Ubundi none mugiye kubana nabyo mubikunda gusa sibyo? Ahubwo ikindi iyo mashanyarazi afasha umuntu abafashwe na volte cyafashwe na current cyangwa afashwe na resistance. Amashanyarazi yumbisha umuntu ngo yafashwe n'amashanyarazi abafashwe na volte abafashwe na current abafashwe na mwireba mwarimu wanyu ntago ntacyo abafasha.
Nje kono mbyumva abafashwe na current.
Ni ukuvuga ngo amashanyarazi ni combination y'ibintu bitatu: current, resistor, voltage, sibyo? None se ibyo bintu iyo fenomene ndi washyizeho ni Ohm's law, sibyo? Ni ukuvuga ngo ni combination y'ibintu bitatu. Nta hantu hari current nta resistance yabe hari nta na voltage yabe hari. Ni ukuvuga ngo umuntu afatwa n'amashanyarazi ntago afashwa na voltage cyangwa current, afatwa n'ibyo bintu bitatu. So rero bivuga iki rero? Voltage muzika ifite irindi zina nirihe? Potential difference, sibyo? Cyangwa se EMF, electromotive force. Ni ukuvuga ngo rero ibyo bintu byose mugomba kuzajya mubishyira mu mutima yanyu mukanabimenya, sibyo? Mukaneka kubyigira amanota. So turabashimiye rero, reka tubashimire tunabari kure mutahe. Abantu ba muri multimedia baraza kuza gutanga interview ndetse n'abandi bantu basigaye hano bashaka gutanga interview baze kwitanga. Ndabashimiye. Ubu naho ubutaha tuzakomeza ubutaha, ubwo ngubwo turaza kureba kuri video abantu ba performance neza, tuzabashimire. Murakoze cyane.
hano nanibagiwe musore gatoya abantu muri kudukirana kuri YouTube yacu yitwa Master Tech TV ndagira ngo nshimiye cyane abantu ndabasaba bose barazara oya ntago bari buze reka mbivuge kamera bayishyire hano kamera uyishyire hano kugira ngo badukurikirane hano kugira ngo bigende neza cyane yizane hano ugabanyeho na karayiti gakeya noneho tube tuganirira gakeya ubundi gumana kuteri nta kibazo biremewe nadufashije kugeza inyuma ibintu muhaguruke so ndabashimiye cyane rero abadukuri turacyari live so ndabashimiye cyane rero abadukurikiranye live iyi ni Master Tech TV cyangwa se MTTV televiziyo dukoresha online kuri muri program dufite yitwa Hands on Skills Workshop yo kwimpawaringa abana kugira ngo bazaze ku isoko ry'umurimo bakenewe cyane abantu badufashije rero gufata izi video ibyo mwabonye bishekinga ibyo mwabonye bipfa nabangaba bari babiri inyuma gusa nabona abanyeshuri ntagaraba expert niyo mpamvu rero turagira ngo tuvugishe buri mwana uwo ari we wese n'ibyo yakoze ndetse n'ahaturuka tubwire amazina n'ahaturuka kugira ngo bigende neza murakoze
murakoze amazina yanjye nitwa Habineza Sandrine nuka mu kigo cya Notre Dame mu Cyanika ninjye twafatanyije mu mafoto murakoze
nitwa Nizeyimana Esperance naturutse muri GSN DP Cyanika mu karere ka Nyamagabe ninjye twafatanyije mu gufata video tuzakoramo ama highlight murakoze
amazina nitwa Diane Amasezerano nuruka ku kigo cya Aparudi mu karere ka Ruhango nafatanyaga na mugenzi wanjye kubacisha live murakoze
nanjye ni Martine naturutse muri JSN DP Cyanika ninjye twafatanyije kubanga bw'ibyuma
so murakoze cyane rero ubwo naho utaha